Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 30. The location of iron and steel industry at a place is due to A. Easy access to raw materials, B. Access to cheap labor, C. Government policy, D. Good infrastructure. So we are asked for the major factor that influences the location of an iron and steel industry at a place. The major factor influencing the location of an industry, be it iron and steel, any industry at a place. Now, from the options given to us, the most important or the major factor that affects or influences location of industry in a place is easy access to raw materials. Now let's analyze it. Let's look at this. Easy access to raw materials saves cost of transportation of raw materials. Now, if you have your industry where you have easy access to raw materials, it will significantly save you the cost of transporting raw materials to the industry. It will save you also labor. It will also save you labor, okay, in terms of also transporting and obtaining the raw material. So easy access to raw materials is very important, as accessibility or availability of raw materials is what makes the industry function. So in an iron and steel industry where you need the raw material, iron ore, having iron ore or having access to iron ore is what will make the industry to function. The day you have or you cease to have the raw material is the day the industry ceases to function. So easy access to raw materials, option A, is the most important factor to consider when locating an iron and steel industry and even any other industry. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.